Hey, this is Jamie with Useful Knowledge. So this has been my kitchen for about the last 6 weeks. I've been working in a remote location, and this is the only kitchen I had. So stay tuned. We're going to show you what we did when a group of us couldn't stand it any longer and wanted to make homemade biscuits. And we decided to cook them on a gas grill. Okay, now to make the biscuits. This is not any different than the normal biscuit recipe. Alright, that's about 3 cups of flour. Put in our baking powder. About 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So we're just adapting it from the normal recipe that we have online for Useful Knowledge. We're going to mix this up. Don't have any lard out here, so we're just going to use butter. Alright, we're going to cut that in. Just use a fork to cut it in. I don't have a pastry knife with me. Okay, now we got the butter cut in. We're just going to add milk. You can check our recipe at Useful Knowledge on how much milk to add. This is ready to be made up into biscuits. I don't have a cast iron skillet out here to put this on, so we're just going to use a pizza plate. Cook them on the grill. These are ready to go on the grill. We're going to give this thing a shot. Okay, so we preheated our grill to 500 degrees. We're going to put these biscuits in it and see how it goes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the burners directly up under the biscuits to a medium high instead of a high. That way we don't brown the bottom too fast. Okay, about 5 minutes into cooking, I turned these down because the bottoms had already got really good and brown. So this is about 10 minutes in. They're looking really good. The bottom's getting brown. What we're going to do is we're going to flip these over so the tops will get done. Alright. We're going to turn these back up. Give it about 2 or 3 minutes. We're going to call them done. Okay. These are brown on top. We're going to get these off of here. Call them done. Oh yeah, these look good. So we hope you gained some useful knowledge on how to make homemade biscuits on a propane grill. Even if you're in a remote location like we are, you can still enjoy homemade biscuits. Thanks for watching.